They did their makeup a second day in a row. And the dogs are crying because they have to go in their kennel when we're leaving the house. Kimmy and I are going on a girls' day. Right?
If you can walk through the
I know, we need to get everything moved. We're going to run some errands today. It's her days off, so we get to do something together. It's really nice having her here to spend time together and not feel so alone all the time. I'm sure she felt alone often as well. So we're going to Costco. She's getting her reusable bags, a sustainable queen. I don't know where else. I really need to go and get some like stocking stuffers. I'm pretty much done Christmas shopping because we're doing like a smaller Christmas. We didn't do any Christmas. What?
I found my cookie gun.
Where was it?
To make Christmas cookies. The cookie gun, you know, that does spritzes and...
That's not what I asked. Do not come to a Costco on a Saturday during holiday hours. I'm in everybody's way. So far, Kimmy has filled the cart with only alcohol and filet mignon. Priorities.
That's right.
Costco haul. Kimmy went a little bit wild with the Prosecco. This Kirkland brand, what's it called? A Solo Prosecco. This is a dupe for La Marca, and it's only $7. I'm doing a Costco haul. You want to be involved? Any commentary? No?
Why did I carry everything in?
Are you kidding? I carried everything in, you psycho. I literally carried everything in except for that bag. So why don't you kiss my butt? Try to show off in front of my friends.
Oh, you have friends?
Commentary on the chicken. You're gonna get beat up today.
Alright, so we're gonna freeze this, right?
Yeah, maybe just keep one. This is Kimmy's coffee. Would you say this is a dupe for
Pete's.
Pete's? My mom got an ungodly amount of 60 strings of cheese.
Costco.
60 strings of cheese. This is for Jace because he eats this like it's candy.
And this is for Jace.
She's about to get beat up today. She's about to get clocked. This is also for Jay's little snack because he's my little toddler of the
I think
past.
you're gonna have enough room in here.
Lunch meat, check.
Egg bites, check.
I've been making my mom and Jace lunch every morning, so I feel like I have elementary school children.
Jeez. Why don't you go put those out in the other fridge? How about that?
I was actually doing something. We went to Marshall's to look for stocking stuffers. Oh, I got wrapping paper. Kimmy's making lasagna. You reading the box? Do you not know how to make it?
No, I'm reading about if you have to boil these.
Kimmy said she's not feeling in the Christmas spirit, so we've got a Spotify Christmas classics going off. Did you know my mom has never seen the cartoon Grinch? Or probably the other one. Have you seen the Jim Carrey Grinch movie?
No.
I made her watch the animated Grinch movie that I watched all growing up, so I don't know how she hasn't seen it. And she said she didn't like it last year. So leave her a hate comment in the comments.
Hello?
Well, who doesn't like the Grinch?
Me. And those little girls I saw on a TikTok. That was horrible.
Oh, yeah, but that's funny.
That's horrible. Those
You're talking
girls
about the ones where the dad dresses up as the Grinch and runs in.
The door and starts smashing them.
He took the tree.
Yes.
That's hilarious. We just got tickets to go to the farm out here that does like a Christmas village. So we're gonna do that tomorrow night because my mom's not in the Christmas spirit and she's being a little bit of a Grinch / Scrooge.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah.
Why?
I said you're the Grinch.
No, I'm not.
Well, if you're not in the Christmas spirit, that would be the Grinch.
I can't make myself feel like it's Christmas. There's been too much going on.
Maybe this will put you in the Christmas spirit. Want to go to Hawaii for Christmas? Molly, please do my Lasagna almost put me to sleep, but we're doing girls' night, movie night, and I need to wash my face. I did make a little bit of progress on the closet. We've got 2 boxes here ready to go. Laundry pile. I'll show you where I'm at. Also, a lot of this stuff turned out to be Jace. Look at his pile. Like, hello, sir. I found our towels. We couldn't find the box of towels. That's because someone labeled it clothes. And also, this is a kitchen box. I don't know why that's in here. And I'm getting rid of so much stuff that just don't fit me. This bathing suit is so cute, and it was so expensive. It's by L Space. So cute, so Barbie. There's something else in here that made me sick. This one. This is from this brand. These bottoms, I'm sorry, $92. $92 for this. The cutest material. It's like scrunched in the back. Never been worn. Still has like this in it. I never even tried these on because, to be honest, I don't even think they went over my thighs. And then this is the matching, well, it doesn't match, but it's the same brand top. I'm sick. Just so much stuff that doesn't fit me anymore. So that's where we're at. I need Jace to move some boxes. I can't lift anything right now because I've been going to this doctor who's supposed to treat my EDS. Well, first he's supposed to diagnose me with it, but I already know that I have it. It's like hypermobile, where I injure myself very easily because I'm super hypermobile. And so he told me not to lift anything, but I went in there thinking, okay, I'm gonna get this diagnosis for EDS and he's gonna do something, make me feel better. And I go in there and he's like, scoliosis? When he said that to me, I was like, I'm leaving. I'm not even gonna pay for this appointment. I'm so mad. Like, can I go to one appointment and not get a detrimental diagnosis? Can we not? So, who knows what's happening. Anyways, I'm gonna take my makeup off because my eyes feel really dry and I just want to scratch them. So, makeup needs to come off. Using the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And then, oh, I should put these on. Whoever invented these, you need a raise. This face wash is not my usual. Wow, it looks so good right now. It is the Caudalie Beano Clean Mousse Foaming Cleanser, Grape and Purifying Sage. It's like foamy. I almost ate that. I actually don't love a foam cleanser like that, but I'm too lazy to go find my stuff. I also just put some cookies in the oven and I really want to go eat them. My blonde roots are making me look freaking bald. Alright, for skincare, I'm gonna go so lazy. I'm gonna do all Caudalie apparently. Premier Crew eye cream. This is unique packaging. Am I doing this right? Who really knows, to be honest. For cream or a moisturizer, I'm using this tonight. Ew, look at my wrinkle. Stop. Why are my eyebrows up? I've never had Botox before, but maybe I want to get it. Trying to get forehead wrinkles. Aging is fine with me, like, I'm fine with it, but then I see a forehead wrinkle and I'm like, hello, what's happening? Okay. My cookie timer's going off. Let's go check. Those are not done. Do you know I have big forehead wrinkles?
No.
Should we do some mommy-daughter Botox?
Are you nuts?
And I have a zit.
I need filler, not Botox. Where'd you get this fine makeup?
From Home Goods. Yeah, those are looking good. They smell good. Do you like them with flaky salt on them?
Don't play games in the mosh pit. It's a pop punk Christmas.